everybody, this is Anjali bringing reading for Pisces, and this is going to be a general weekly reading from the 12th to the 18th of October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And subscribers, those who have subscribed, thank you so much. I it's been a pleasure to have you, and those who haven't, please do so. And you can also follow me now on Instagram and on Facebook. All the information is given below. Now, cross watchers, you guys are also welcome. And keep in mind that the energies can be vice versa. So take it as it resonates. Alright. Now, guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everybody. So take the positives and leave the negatives. Alright. And let's start our reading. Pisces, messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces from the 12th to the 18th? Oh, we have the sun here. All right. That's a beautiful beginning, right? All right. Sun, new beginnings, abundance, prosperity, happiness. Oh, wow. What's happening here? Broken heart, which clearly says that there was some kind of a beginning after an ending with a loved one here. Broken heart is all about pain, sadness, ruin. Now, door to value. This also means that you're moving toward a positive phase in your life. There is something valuable waiting for you on the other side of your journey or other side of the door here. So I really feel that you should start uh, moving towards positivity. And I really feel that with the sun here, it's always maybe realization about what happened with this ending here with the broken heart. And with the door to values, that you're understanding things and moving towards something better. This might not be easy because we have a storm warning here, which means that things are get cloudier now. But I feel that once you're moving towards that, there is sunshine waiting for you there, and woman holding your heart, which means that there is a new love offer coming towards you. And we have contract at the back of the deck, which means that there is a new opportunity coming towards you, a new contract coming towards you, right? So Pisces, let's get into your reading. What are the messages for Pisces from the 12th to the 18th? What's current energy like? The strength. So currently this is all about being strong, courageous. This is all about putting your effort into being yourself. I really feel that this is all about taking a stand in a situation here. Leo energy, alright? Excuse me. Now we have Page of Cups crossing your spread, which means that there is a new love offer coming towards you, who is very loving, very caring, younger energy, and this might be you, or this might be them offering you the cup of love here. And we have Six of Cups in the base of the spread, which means that there are memories and nostalgia here. This might be a soulmate relationship. You might be on a break right now, so they might be thinking about you and coming together, bringing that offer into your life. All right, now let's see what's okay. Five of Swords is crowning your spread, which means that there are thoughts going inside of your head constantly, which bring some kind of the storm warning. I'm getting this one because I really feel that there is cloudiness here in your thoughts, which means that you're feeling sad and you're feeling anxiety with those thoughts in your head. Now, Ace of Swords, which means that there was some kind of a clarity which happened in the past, something which has happened. You might have cut off somebody, or somebody might have done that to you. This can be also about truth coming out or success in cutting off somebody in your life from your life. Now, we have the Nine of Wands in the future, in the immediate future, which means that somebody is not sure how to move forward about this. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy I'm getting. This is also about you know what you want, but you are not ready to move towards the direction. All right. Now, Five of Cups is your energy. This is the current energy, which means that you're feeling that loss and pain and sadness here with the Five of Cups here. This means that this is a phase where you're feeling that heartache, that pain and sadness and sorrow here. And we have the Three of Wands in your environment, which means that you're ready to move on to a journey here, or there is a new opportunity coming into you. This can also be about you traveling, all right, or somebody might be traveling towards you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Now we have Four of Pentacles as your guidance, which means that you're holding on to something here, This might be thoughts, or this might be a person, or this might be about money. You're being very careful about how you're spending or how what you're thinking about. So that's pretty good. Now let's see what's the outcome. Is the Two of Cups. So there is love here. There is love coming together of two people who are in love with each other. This is also about an offer which coming towards you, bringing that partnership or loyalty and stability in the love with the Two of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, that is your energy. Now let's some clarifiers here. Strength. Why is the strength here? Clarify the strength. Four of Cups. So I feel that you're still holding on to something. This can be also about you lost in your own thoughts about what has happened in the past and not opening up to anybody, or you're focused or you're stubborn about your own feelings and thoughts here. And we have the Hierophant here, which means that this can be about a Taurus. This can be about a commitment, or there is a commitment or a contract coming into your life. We had the contract at the back of the deck, which means that this can be also about a spiritual connection or a contract, or this might be a job or a new person coming into your life as well. This can be also about you going through a phase of divorce or a marriage here. Starting of something new with the Empress here, two major arcanas coming together. So I feel that this might be a new relationship coming into your life, or you might be starting on a new journey here. Now, why is the Page of Cups here? Five of Cups, which means that you are going through a process of sadness, and there's a new offer coming from a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This can be money, this can be emotionally difficult time when you're getting this offer, but I really feel that this is a long lasting offer. This can be about financial stability. This can be also about a windfall here, all right? So there are two people coming into your life, two offers coming into your life. Now, Six of Cups. Why is the Six of Cups? Somebody is taking a time out here. Virgo energy. The Hermit. This means that somebody is closed off. Somebody is being alone and taking time to be with themselves, finding answers to their questions here. And we have the Judgment here, which means that this is a divine intervention, or this is karma here, which means that this is a huge wake up call here. So you are realizing things more clearly now. Now, why is the Five of Swords there? You are stuck between two people or two thoughts here. You are unable to move forward. And we have the Star here, which means that there is hope, or there is guidance coming towards you. So there is still hope in a situation. If you're feeling like you're stuck, you're worried, you're anxious, you're in pain, so there is some kind of hope coming towards you, because somebody is traveling towards you, bringing that clarity of thoughts here. Most probably an Aquarius, Libra, or a Gemini coming towards you, bringing that clarity of thoughts, or still bringing that hope in a situation here. All right. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Why is the Ace of Swords in the immediate past? Somebody might have moved out of a situation. It might be you. Somebody might have left somebody and moved towards a new beginning or a better option here. And this can be also about an Aries, or this can be also about you taking a step into a situation, being strong. And this can be also about somebody being manipulative, or somebody trying to move on to better things, right? Somebody made a decision to move on to something better, something more secure here with the Emperor energy. So it can be also about you moving towards an Aries here. Take it as it resonates, or this might be your boss making, or you are the boss here. You're making a decision here. All right. Nine of Wands. Why is the Nine of Wands here? There is definitely a struggle here with the Seven of Wands. I feel that you're trying to compete with the Nine of Wands. You're not sure about how to move forward about it, because you are hurt. You're not sure about it, so you're not doing anything about it. All right. Why is the Seven of Wands and the Nine of Wands here? Sagittarius energy, Temperance energy. You're trying to balance things here. You're trying to test the waters here. You're being very patient and let things fall into place by its own. You are giving it time, and you're being very patient about the outcome. So you're not rushing this. All right. Now, Five of Cups in your energy with the Ace of Pentacles. So there is a new offer coming towards you. This is happening again. I really feel that there is a new stable offer coming towards you with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This can be a seed being planted for a long term relationship or a stability here, or it might be a job as well. So there is forward movement, there is success, triumph, and recognition here with the Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. So I really feel that you're finding something new when you're down and you're feeling that loss here, okay? Now this might be you traveling towards something new, or something is traveling towards you with the Three of Wands here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. High Priestess here. You have all the knowledge here, and you're getting all the information you need to start on a new journey. And you are taking care of yourself, or you are resting and rejuvenating here. This is all about healing. So you're getting into a new opportunity, or you're getting new opportunities here, and you're ready to move towards something new, and you have all the information you need. You are in a place of resting and rejuvenating here. This can be also about you planning. You have all the information, you're planning how to move forward about it. Now, Four of Pentacles in the guidance means that with the Five of Wands here, it looks like there was some kind of conflict here in the Five of Wands and the Knight of Cups coming here. So I really feel that you're holding on to something really bad which has happened, which means that there was some kind of conflict you're holding on to. And the Knight of Cups, which means that you're offering your cup to somebody else, and for sure. Now, why is the Four of Pentacles and the Five of Wands here? 6, 4, 5, and 6. So you are moving towards a new beginning here. Why is the Knight of Cups here? Hangman, you might be, it's your own energy, guys. I really feel that you're moving towards a more spiritual awakening energy here. So I really feel that you're moving towards something better. You're offering your cup to somebody better. Why is the Knight of Cups and the Hangman here? You are moving towards a new passionate beginning with the Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So you're not holding on to the past here. So I really feel that you are moving towards a process of leaving and letting go and moving to a calmer shows here, which means that you're taking a huge decision and you're moving towards something better here. Now, why is the Two of Cups in the outcome? Six of Cups. I really feel that this might be an ex returning or a soulmate connection here with the Six of Cups, and the risk communication coming in with the Eight of Wands here. That is Leo Sagittarius. And we have another 8 we have with the 8 of Pentacles, which means that somebody is ready to put work and effort into the situation. This might be your job, or this might be a love situation as well. I really feel that somebody from the past is coming back with the Five of Pentacles here. It was like, look at the back of the deck, all right? Yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles, you're moving towards more secure and more. I really feel it's more mature energy, understanding things more clearly here. So I really feel that this might be you being open to ideas here, and when this person comes in, you're ready to welcome them back into your life. But I really feel that it's all about putting work and effort into all the things which is in the current energy, which means that you have to work a lot, bringing the stability and balance into your love here. All right, love life or your job. So wait for that. There is communication coming in for you guys. All right. Okay, Pisces, this is your weekly reading from the 12th to the 18th of October 2020. I really hope you enjoyed the reading. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.